Natural Resources Private Limited.
Welcome students to an enriching learning journey ahead with Wood Apple Resources. Class 3 EVS. I'm your teacher Vani. Here are your friends.
I am Booby. I am Abby.
Dear students, today I am going to teach you Chapter 11, Journey of a Mango Seed. Hello dear friends. Today we will learn how plants grow from seeds. Let us have an amazing journey and observe the given pictures. Are you ready?
Yes.
Look at the pictures. The tree has a thick woody stem, which is known as the trunk. The shrub has short woody stems with many branches. The herb has a very soft green stem. The climber has a very weak stem that needs support to grow. The creeper has a weak, soft stem that grows on the ground. Now it is your turn. On the basis of the above information, you have to guess the names of the types of plants. The first clue is, which type of plant has a soft and green stem?
Herbs.
Good. Now tell me, among these, which has thin branches and grow along the ground?
Creepers.
Correct. Can anyone tell me which type of plant has thick trunks?
Trees.
You are right. The next question is, which are often used by gardeners as bushes?
Shrubs.
Well done. Okay, tell me, which type of plant needs support to grow?
Climbers.
Great students, you all did a great job and identified the correct names of each type of plant. Students, do you like mangoes?
Yes.
Do you know a mango tree grows from a seed and it takes at least 5 to 8 years to grow fruits? Let us learn how a seed grows into a tree with Chiku. Chiku also loves mangoes, and one day, with the help of his mother, he sowed a mango seed in the soil. For this, he dug the soil and planted the seed in it. Every day he watered and cared for it. After 4 to 6 weeks, he saw some new leaves appeared from the soil. His mother told him that a young plant, especially one raised from seed, is called a seedling. After some months, a baby plant appeared that swayed gently in the spring breeze. This is called a sapling. The process by which the seed grows into a sapling is called germination.
What do leaves do for the plant?
The leaves make food for the plant. The leaves absorb water from the soil, carbon dioxide from the air, and heat from the sunlight. The process by which leaves make food for plants with the help of water, carbon dioxide, and sunlight is known as photosynthesis. After some years, the plant becomes a young tree. After 6 to 8 years, the tree becomes mature and ready for flowering. The mango flowering season starts in December and lasts until February. Mango trees bear ripe fruit from January to May.
आम के पेड़ को बीज से पेड़ बनने में 5 से 8 साल लगते हैं। बीज से एक छोटे पौधे का बनना जर्मिनेशन कहलाता है। पौधे की पत्तियां कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, पानी और सूर्य की रोशनी का उपयोग कर भोजन बनाती हैं। इस प्रक्रिया को फोटोसिंथेसिस कहते हैं।
Do you know that the leaves of different plants have different shapes and sizes? The leaves of spinach are bigger as compared to coriander leaves. We use many leaves in our food. We cook vegetables of fenugreek, mustard, turnips, cabbage, etc., and also make salad and other preparations of these. Leaves like mint, coriander, tulsi, curry leaves, carom leaves, etc., are used to add flavor to our food. These leaves enhance the aroma and taste of the food.
What happens if we do not water the plants?
If we do not water the plants, they will dry. And if they do not get water continuously, they may even die.
But how do plants grow in places where there is very little water?
Different types of plants grow in places where there is little water, like cactus, palm, desert lily, etc. The plants that grow in deserts are called desert plants. These plants have special adaptations, like these plants have thick stems that store water. The leaves of these plants are fleshy to store water and converging into spines to reduce the loss of water. The stems of these plants are modified to perform the functions of leaves and make food. Have you seen plants grow in water?
Yes, I have seen some plants like lotus and water lily grown in ponds. Can we grow such plants in the soil of our garden?
No, we cannot grow these plants in garden soil as they grow in water. The plants that grow in water are called aquatic plants. Aquatic plants have special adaptations to the water environment, such as absorbing nutrients and exchanging gases directly from the water. Lotus, water hyacinth, water lily, and duckweed are some of the plants that live in water.
कुछ पौधे जैसे कैक्टस, पाम, डेजर्ट लिली कम पानी में ग्रो होते हैं, डेजर्ट प्लांट्स कहलाते हैं। इन पौधों का तना पत्तियों की तरह भोजन बनाता है और पानी को स्टोर करके रखता है। लोटस, वाटर लिली, डकवीड पानी में ग्रो करते हैं, एक्वेटिक प्लांट्स कहलाते हैं। ये पौधे पानी से ही ज़रूरी न्यूट्रिएंट्स और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को सोखते हैं। Yesterday, when I was playing in the garden, I saw many leaves fallen on the ground that were not green.
Yes, because during the autumn season, the leaves of the trees change color and shed. The autumn season comes just before the winter. In this season, leaves change their color from green to yellow, orange, or brown, and then fall from the trees. Trees lost their leaves to conserve energy during the winter. If those dead leaves stayed on the trees, new leaves wouldn't grow in their place, and the trees would not be able to make food for themselves.
Then, when do the new leaves grow?
In the spring season, new, tender, fresh leaves grow on the trees and make the surrounding area green and beautiful. The spring season comes just after winter and continues until summer. In this season, new leaves grow to help the trees catch as much sunlight as they can during the long summer days. After collecting all the fallen leaves from the garden, Chiku put them in a pit.
Why did he do so?
These dry leaves are used to make compost.
What is compost?
Compost is a mixture of ingredients used as plant fertilizer and to improve soil's properties. It is commonly prepared by decomposing plant and food waste, recycling organic materials and manure in a pit. The soil we get from the compost pit is rich in nutrients and it adds nutrients to the garden soil that are required for the growth of plants.
It means composting leaves and flowers is good for our garden. कंपोस्ट पिट जमीन के अंदर बना एक होल होता है जिसमें वेस्ट प्लांट प्रोडक्ट्स जैसे पत्तियां, सब्जियों के छिलके, फूल को डालकर मिट्टी से ढक देते हैं। कुछ दिनों बाद कंपोस्ट पिट से बनी खाद को पौधों के लिए उपयोग करते हैं।
Children, do you know it is necessary to take care of plants as they give us so many things? Plants are our best friends and very useful for us. Plants not only give us shade, we get many other things from plants like oxygen to breathe and food to eat. We also get fruits, vegetables and grains from plants. We get hair oil and cooking oil from trees too. Cooking oils like mustard oil is obtained from mustard seeds. Peanut oil is obtained from peanuts. Sunflower oil is obtained from sunflower seeds, etc. We get wood that is used to make furniture and houses from plants. Pine, bamboo, and teak are some common trees that provide wood to make furniture and houses. Even the stationery items that we use like paper, glue, pencils, and erasers are also made from plants. Glue is made from the sap of a pine tree. Do you know? Plants also give medicine and spices. Many plants like neem, tulsi, brahmi, and eucalyptus have medicinal properties. The clothes we wear are made from fibers obtained from plants. We obtain fiber from the cotton, which grows on the cotton plant. Even we get rubber for making tires from plants.
How should we take care of plants?
We should not pluck the leaves and flowers of plants. Not cause harm to plants. Add compost for their upkeep. Grow more and more plants. We should never forget to water the plants regularly. Let us review what we have learned. Different types of plants are trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers, and creepers. A mango tree takes 5 to 8 years to grow fruits. The process by which the seed grows into a sapling is called germination. The process by which leaves make food for plants with the help of water, carbon dioxide, and sunlight is known as photosynthesis. The leaves of different plants have different shapes and sizes. Some plants like cactus, dates, palms, etc. are adapted to grow in deserts. Some plants like lotus, water lily, duckweed, etc. are adapted to grow in water are known as aquatic plants. Trees shed their leaves in autumn and new leaves grow on trees in the spring season. Plants give us many things like food, oxygen, wood, fiber, stationery items, oils, medicines, spices, etc. Plants provide food and shelter for animals. It is our duty to take proper care of plants and not harm them. We should grow more plants. Compost pits are made by dumping dried leaves and flowers in a pit. The soil in the compost pit is rich in nutrients. Thank you for joining us. Keep learning and exploring with Woodapple Resources.